Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be trying to clean out some really caked in here salt stains. These are actually from a year and a half ago or so. I've been slacking really bad. I have some Whips salt, road salt remover to try to help dissolve the road salt. So I'm going to try it out. We'll see how it goes. First thing I'm going to do is vacuum it, and then we're going to spray it with the salt remover and brush it a little bit. And then I am going to use my extractor or Bissell to try to clean out all the solution the best I can. Point is, I'm trying to use this chemical. It really just smells like a light cleaning solution. Some people use like vinegar and water and stuff like that, but then you got to deal with trying to get that vinegar smell out. So if this dissolves it without that smell have to stay around, then it's going to be a win. So we'll be right back. I'm going to vacuum this up. Not going to record that, and then we'll come back to actually using the product. So now that we got it all vacuumed up, as you can see, this road salt is kind of really just crusted in there. It would not come off with just vacuuming. Like I said before, I did have mats in here that caught pretty much everything, but it did overflow in the back a little bit, so the mats didn't really protect it. So this is what I got. Really pretty clean label on there, nothing too fancy, but the main thing is if it works, it's going to be well worth it. It really just smells like a light cleaner. That's about it. 36 ounces in a bottle, and you can buy it in a gallon. I'll have links in the description for that. I'm going to be using just an Adams brush. So basically just says spread it in there. Try to wipe it up a little bit, rub it in there. It should dissolve the road salt. It's safe on car paint. What else? Carpets and a few other things to try to just get rid of the salt instead of just adding lubrication to the paint surface. So let's see how it works. I'm just going to do half of it right now. And then we'll do the other half in a minute. Does appear to be breaking it down quite a bit. I'm going to add a little bit more solution. But if you're not familiar, if you probably, since you're here watching this, you might have dealt with this before. Road salt can be quite a pain to remove. And this actually appears like it's doing pretty darn well. So actually I'm going to spray the rest of it because some of those tall spots that you could see before might take a little bit more work, but it seems like it's coming off into my brush. This section over here, I think you can see that on camera. So then what you're going to want to do is use just plain water and an extractor. I'd put heated water in mine. If you don't have like an extractor or like a little Bissell, I'll put the link for the one I got in the description. But what you can do is just spray it down with water and then damp it up with a microfiber, or even since it's carpet in the inside, you can use like a cotton cloth or something like that. Try to dab it the best you can. So as you can see, the salt stain's completely gone. Worked quite well. So final step I'm going to do, you can see here I didn't clean any of this, so it does need to be just a light shampoo. There's really no stains underneath it, but it is 5-6 years of dirt and grime. I'll hit that up after, but for the point of the video, not needed. I'm just going to dab it down with the cloth, try to soak up last little bit that the extractor didn't get up. Then I'm going to hit it with some P&S Finisher peroxide treatment. Just helps with some of the wicking from what I've been told, and just helps eliminate some of the smell if there's any from the product. I couldn't smell anything from it. So that's all I'm going to do. Now I'm going to let it sit. It's good to go. So based on how easy that was to remove, I'm going to probably pick up a gallon of this, so highly recommend it. Like I said, this is not a paid endorsement. I purchased this product, so this is going to be my new go-to road salt remover. So thank you for watching. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and have a great day.